Hey, what's up guys? I'm 𝐻𝐻𝐿 I was super excited to speak at SellerCon today. People got ecstatic by the presentation I gave them. You know, over the last 3 years, I've managed over 30 million on Facebook, managing my clients' spend and budgets on Facebook and scaling some brands from 100K in Facebook spend to $1 million in spend. And I gave some really valuable strategies to the audience and they really loved it. So I'm super excited to share these with you as well. Here's the main thing that's happening with Facebook. A lot of people are seeing this daily volatility and their ads are not performing or they're not profitable. So they really think that Facebook is not working for them. But actually, in reality, Facebook is simplifying things, they're automating things, so everything on Facebook becomes much easier for someone who is just jumping onto Facebook with limited budget or small budget to be successful. And that's what I'm seeing. You don't need to be a huge media buyer or a huge brand that has a lot of budget to be successful on Facebook. And what's actually happening is creative now, the ad or the image or the video is the main driver of performance. It's not so much the budgeting, the strategies around bidding, targeting, placements, etc. It's really the creative. So I'll give you a few tips on how to get profitable on Facebook. So number one, spy your competitors. Find a list of your competitors, and everyone has at least 5 competitors that they know. What you can do is go to Facebook's ad library, just search it on Google, type in your competitor's Facebook page, and you will see like a library of all of their active ads, everything that they're running right now on Facebook. And then you can analyze what are these ads, their videos, are they images, are they square, analyze the format, but more importantly, because you want to recreate the concepts that work for your competitors, because they have been spending money on Facebook to learn something, right? To see what's performing, to find this winner that will increase the return on ad spend so they can increase their spend also, but profitably and efficiently, right? So what you need to do is find these winning concepts in the ad library, and there's really no there's no transparency about what concept is performing, what video is performing, which one is not performing, because Facebook is not going to reveal that information. But what you can do is find pages that have at least 50 ads and then skim through the ads and try to find some similarities or patterns between these concepts. And then if you find that, that will trigger a light that these are winning concepts or potentially winning concepts, so you only test these. Because if you see patterns between different ads, for example, multiple variations of the same video, that means they found a winner, they were testing, they were failing, they were spending, burning through cash, they found a winning concept, and now they're just expanding it and testing more variations of it. So if you see something that has more variations, that most probably is a winning concept. Very high potential to test and find a winner. So find these concepts and retest those. So that increases your chances of actually finding a winner by spending less, because someone else spent and learned from it. So you just learn on their back, on their money. This will give you like advantage versus your competitors to see what's actually working, step on their shoulders, see what's working, and find the winners yourself. Just don't clone it, don't steal anything. This is just about modeling and improving things. See the concept, try to recreate it with your own brand, your own product, and then test it, see if that performs for you. The creative really is the only thing that you, me, all advertisers have more control over anything else. The rest, Facebook has control over bidding, over budgeting. They have the machine learning on Facebook has improved significantly, so the algorithms are super efficient right now, and then they're simplifying everything else. But the only thing that the advertiser has real control of is the creative. Because Facebook, they don't know what kind of image or video you're gonna put up there. They don't know what kind of ad copy or headline you will put up there. It really comes down to the creative that we as an advertiser have control of. And that's our best bet. Don't get disfocused with the strategies that used to work 2 years ago and try to make them work, because they're just becoming less and less efficient. Focus on creative, focus on your own product, because the simple logic is this: Facebook wants people to be happy with when they're scrolling their news feed and have good experience on Facebook. So they give you more time and freedom to optimize your creative and show better creative to their users. And also they want when someone click on the ad and go to your website to buy your product, to buy a good product, to have good experience there, because if they do, they will come back to Facebook. They're more likely to click on another ad. That's how Facebook makes money. And that's how you will make money. That's how the user will be happy for finding a relevant product and Facebook. So it's a triple win. That's it. That's my tip for today. I hope this helps. Use this simple strategy and see what happens, but definitely it makes wonders for us in the last 6-12 months. We've been using this strategy. I hope it helps for you. Also, check us out at Amazing.com, the amazing community, and join for SellerCon 2012. Thank you so much, 𝐻𝐻𝐿 𝐔𝐬 𝐎𝐧